This document will tell you that there is now a groundswell of opinion right across Europe to bring our intellectual property laws up to date for the digital age and with enormous benefit to the European economy. Essentially, intellectual property laws were all framed before we had the internet, and the internet has turned inside out the way that creative industries work, but it's also had an enormous effect on the world of patent and trademark as well. So we need genuinely digital era laws to make all of this work properly. The main message of the publication, I would say, is that the IP setup in Europe isn't working the way that it needs to. It needs reform. There are different ideas about what needs reforming, but there's also a shared view that it's reformable, that politically, culturally, it can be done. This is a makeable change. European law frames all the legal requirements that apply to member states in the area of intellectual property. So the European Union is right in the driving seat about all of this, and there is agitation for change in different countries in different ways. I think it's one of those big moments where Europe needs to step up to the plate and really decide that it is going to ensure that its laws are suitable for the digital age. Also that they're focused in a really well-evidenced way on delivering innovation and economic growth. That's what intellectual property laws are for. They're there to incentivize innovation, but in too many cases now they're getting in the way of innovation. There are a lot of advantages from clearer laws that make sense to people. Consumers, citizens will be happier with them. There will be, as a result, there will be less recourse to illegal sources of IP protected goods and services. A diminution of piracy, that's very important. But the bottom line rationale for this is that it will, in a major way and year on year cumulatively, help the European economy in what is a very difficult period for the European economy.